Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at More at Homestead. This is Bo, and before we begin, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I got to do a little cleaning up today. Mama ain't happy. If you guys seen our video, me and Dutch fell this tree, got it all cut up. Then we got the brush moved over there, but that was about 2 weeks ago, and all this wood is still in the front yard. So I'm going to back the old pickup here. We're going to load it up, and I think I'm going to take it back there to the woods and just pile it up along those trees there. And just get it out of the front yard, try to make it a little bit better. Then we got some stuff happening later this evening, but I think that'll be on another video. But we're gonna get some more animals today, so hopefully you guys stick around. We may show that. It may be dark by the time they get here, but if not, we'll try to give you a little sneak peek, and then we'll really introduce them on the next video. But for right now, I'm gonna do this, and then I got kind of just some downtime project stuff in that I'm going to try to start doing just for fun when I'm on night shift and it's dark outside. I can't shoot videos. I got this, and I may do some videos on it in the future if y'all want to see some. Don't know how good it's going to be starting out, but we're going to get all this cleaned up. Then we'll go in the shop and I'll show you what I got. That's what we call fiddleback here in Oklahoma. I don't know if you can make out the fiddle or not. I'm trying not to let it walk around on me. But you can see that fiddle right there on its back. Now it's a goner. Those things will rot your skin off, man. Bad news. And that's why you want to always wear gloves when you're moving stuff. There could be, I mean, it hasn't been super cold. There could be snakes burrowed up in here. Them spiders are still alive and moving. So anytime you're moving piles of stuff, always have gloves on. Because, yeah, I could have picked that up and it could have got on my hand. I'd be Spider-Man right now, so. Whoa. Whew, that was close. I lost another camera. Luckily it got caught under that wood. Better get it out of there. You try to get those perfect shots, you know, and sometimes it almost costs you trying to get them perfect shots. Whew. I'll just go back over here to that. It's a load of wood, ain't it? Alrighty, there it is. We're gonna pull this back around there and try to find a place to dump it. So this isn't in the backyard, but it's a high spot. It's a little knoll right here in this tree line behind me. Just in between the shop and the house, on the south side of the property, out of the way of the front of the house, of my house, my mom's house, all that. So I think this will be a really good spot to line this wood up. So that's where I'm gonna back the truck up. Alright guys, well that was pretty easy. Got all that cleaned up, got it in separate piles, you know, the green wood from the dead wood or seasoned wood. And now I'm gonna go feed the animals real quick, and then I'm gonna head to the shop and show you guys my new hobby. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button. Let's go. Well, alright guys, see I'm in here in the shop. I got my stuff out here. Let me see. Where are the, right here. So, I don't know if you can tell behind me that I love to fish. Love everything about the outdoors. So my new toy is, you can just see this right here. It's just a blank crankbait, right? Got it right there. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to start painting my own crankbaits. So, got me a little, just a little bitty airbrush compressor there, a little gun. I got multiple colors here. I've been watching a lot of videos on this. I've never done it. But I know you want to start with a solid white base. So, I'm going to put a white base on here. And then, I'm going to do a I'm looking for a purple, a dark purple. I don't think I have it. And then I'm going to do red with some black lines going through it. So, like I said, this is my first time ever doing this. Now I needed a little squirt bottle to clean out this hopper when I'm changing colors, just makes it easier. I forgot my paper towel. So I had to improvise here with the old squirt bottle. So what I'm going to do now is a base layer of white. Alright, I'm going to put another coat of this white on there now. Okay, this is pretty cool. I think I'm finally getting the hang of how to use this gun without it going crazy. Now I should have taped this bill off, but I forgot to get tape, so I'm mainly just practicing on the proper pressure to use on this gun here. So you push it down and it just blows air, and the more you slide this lever back, the more paint it lets through. So you really gotta be real steady on this or you'll splot it like I did on the first one. I put it all the way back and white paint just went everywhere. Righty, now I'm going to use this Wicked Black. Not sure what I'm going to do. I know I'll paint the top and then maybe a few lines on the side. Not terrible lines for freehand. You can make a stencil for it or something, but like I said, this is my first time ever picking up an airbrush. So I'm actually, obviously if I had that bill taped off correctly, it would look so much better, but I'm not, just upset about it. I kind of like it. I'm going to put a little bit more black on the top and then we'll put some clear coat on there and see if we can get it to shine. Alrighty, you can see let it focus here. I got the eyes installed. You just put a little shot of super glue inside that socket, and then there's these eyes right here. You just stick them on there, and then the clear coat will really cover it. So this is what I'm not sure of on this. I got two different kinds. What I'm using right now is just right here. Letting it dry now, but you can definitely see it's got a shine to it. What is that? What is it? What is it? Watch it. You look scared. What are you scared of, Thor? Well, alrighty guys, that's all we got on today's video. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet on More at Homestead, please also subscribe and ring that notification bell. I was able to get all of those logs picked up except for that big whole log. There's a little bit left I got to cut up, so I'm going to get Dutch's saw for that. And you got to see my first time painting a crankbait. I really liked it. I think I'm going to enjoy it. So I'm going to keep doing it, obviously, and hopefully I get better at it. That was just a basic red and black colored one. I'd like to be able to get some stencils and add some character to them, some grids and stuff like that. I think that'd be really cool. So I'm going to keep doing that. And so yeah, I'm glad that I was able to get all that wood picked up, because Mama was not happy. She said, this has got to go. So was able to get that moved. And you guys got a little sneak peek, and got to see Thor seeing the new animals pulling up for the first time. He didn't know what to think, but I think he'll warm up to them. So make sure you check out our next video to find out what they are. And we'll even let you guys pick a name. So if you guys, once again, like this video, smash the like button. Thanks for watching. Till next time, God bless.